Alright guys, so I'm really excited for this. The packages finally came in, and as you guessed it, Variant, new partnership coming to this channel. I am so excited because for a very long time I've been contemplating getting wheels for my car. But you know what? I told myself I gotta do it. I gotta go to the next level. So I've been talking to Variant, and they are so phenomenal with support, customer service. I've been talking to Kies Motorsports. In fact, this went through first Kies Motorsports, and they helped me facilitate a relationship with Variant wheels. I've been talking to both really, but it started with Kies Motorsports and it led down to Variant. But all that to say, package came in super quick, which I'm so excited about because I have a trip coming in soon next week, and I was scared that these wouldn't be coming in on time because I'm scared of wheels just sitting in my front door for like a week or two. I'm gonna open them up. I have not opened it. They're still sealed with this Variant tape on it. So you guys are gonna see my first reaction on these wheels. I got a color that all of you are I'm nervous for the color. Anyways, let's get to it. I wanna show you this, show you my reaction. Oh, all right. Oh man, here we go. Guys, holy mother. Oh, guys, this, oh god. Oh, that's funny. Guys, are you ready for this? Let's check out the review. Oh, buddy. This is, oh my god. All right, what's going on everybody? I'm here in my garage. I have Southern Tire Mart in there unmounting my wheels so far. So let's go check out and see how the progress is going. Oh my gosh, dude, it looks so rad. I'm a little concerned because the 19 by 10, I was recommended that would be a good fit, but you know, I'm a little concerned that it may just rub against this. I'm not sure yet, so we're gonna do test fitment and see how it feels like. So yeah, hopefully it all works out.
I'm gonna test fit it again.
Yeah?
Make sure it fits, and then I'll go ahead and balance it.
Yeah, dude. Oh man, my car looks aggressive with that thing, dude. How's it feel?
Yeah, you shouldn't have no problems in the rear.
Yeah? Even if it lowers, it won't cause any friction either? Alright.
No, because up here there's no.
Ah, okay. Okay, so we are in the clear. We did a test fitment and they fit perfectly fine, guys. So I'm excited for this. It's gonna look so rad.